Hey everyone, my name is Enriquez Camilla. I'm a South Plains College advisor in the Levelland campus, and on today's video we're going to discuss how to make a payment. So we've gone through all the process of where the system is, how to log in, and then also creating a schedule, and the final step would be to make sure that you have these classes for your fall semester, okay? So the first thing that you would do is basically, once again, since if you're already there, you can go ahead and do the student finances or use these side icons to arrive to basically paying your account, okay? So the first thing would be just to click on student finances, and then it would give you the total amount due plus any other charges, and then you would direct yourself to make a payment. At this point, it would take you to a secure website and then start doing the process of paying. Or you can also basically just go back home and then click the financial information, and then also do student finances, where it would give you a lot more options, and then clearly you would click on make a payment. That way it would also direct you to the same page, that safe and secure page, and then continue on with all your information. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching all these videos. I hope you learned a little bit, and also if you have more questions, please feel free to call us or contact us or come by. We can chat and see if we can help you out, okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.